Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's hair is from Bohobabe. So they sent me their passion twist, and this is the color tea burgundy, and it comes in 8 packs in a bundle. So it comes with your crochet needle, of course, and this is the second one. This is in the color 1B. It's also the same amount, 8 packs in there. This is, I believe is 10 inches. It's very, very short. So this is how it looks once you take it out the pack. I love, love, love the twist. It mimics spring twist, but this is not spring twist. Don't confuse the two. This is passion twist. So I'm gonna count and show you how much comes in each bundle, and I believe it was 11 strands of twist in each bundle. So of course my shine jam, comb, and clips. So with this style that I'm gonna do, it's inspired by Beautywithty on YouTube. I saw her do this and I was like, I need to try it because I am a huge fan of space buns. I am an adult, but I still love to wear my hair in space buns. So here I'm just correcting or cleaning up my part in the middle. Just go ahead and clean it up. You don't have to clean it up if you don't want to. Just do what you like. I prefer my parts to be a little bit neater. So here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section a portion of my hair in the front. This helps me to know exactly how much twist I need in the front. So this is the lazy girl method, like Beautywithty said, and I am in awe of this method. I love it so much. It's not every day you want to sit for hours and braid your entire hair. So here I'm gonna use my shine jam. With this style, shine jam or edge control, whatever you have is gonna be your best friend. So here I'm gonna do the free parting method and add my shine jam. Like I told you, it's gonna be your friend. It's very, very essential for this style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it into the hair that I sectioned off. I'm gonna take the twist and open it up, and I'm gonna pass one of my hair through the twist. You see what I did there? And then all you're gonna do is start braiding. So I have 3 strands of hair to braid with now. So I'm just gonna braid it. It's all up to you how far you want to braid it. I braid about like 5 times just to make sure the hair is secured on my hair. Just braid it, and then you're gonna put your hair together, the 2 strands that you split. And now I'm gonna twist it, 2 strand twist it to the direction of the twist, of the passion twist. Here I was just trying to figure out which way they twisted it, and just twist your hair along it. Oh, in this case, wrap your hair along that same twist. You see what I'm doing? Very, very easy. So here I'm going to use my shine jam again for the ends of my hair so that it really, really blends it really well. Because as you can see, my hair is 4C, and this twist, it's not like, it's a little bit finer than my hair. So using the shine jam really helps my hair to blend in with it. So here you see again, I'm gonna show you braid. This, I'm in love with this style. It's so easy to do, and there's no need for you to cornrow and crochet through, and this gives you a much more natural look. You would think that I sat here and I twisted my entire hair like this. So add it to them and then twist it along the twist. It's very, very crucial to go along the way they twisted the hair, so you're not going like opposite it and then it's gonna unravel. So just make sure you go along with it and just see. Perfect. I'm gonna do my entire front that I sectioned the same way. So braid. You can braid as long as you want, but I choose to do like about 5 braids and then twist it along. Same way, split it in 2, braid, and twist it along. Very, very, very easy. I am in love with this style, and where have this style been? And once again, this hair is from Bohobabe. I have their Passion Twist, and I believe this is either 10-inch or 8-inch. It's very, very short, but it's perfect. It's very, very springy. I love how they've and this I believe is handmade, hand twisted, so it's very, very natural looking, and I just love it. I love it so much. I'll leave the link down below where you can get this hair from Bohobabe. So here I'm done with the front. I'm just trying to see how it's looking, and so far I love it. So we're gonna move on to the back. So the back, I'm just gonna do I think I did about 3 rows of twist. So here you can see me do it, braid, and then twist along. That's it, that easy, and all thanks to Beautywithty. I'm gonna do it again. Gonna twist, start with the braid with my hair and the twist. So you have 3 strands, and then you braid, and then you twist. Yay! It was so easy to do this style. Like, trust me, you can do it. You can do it, sis. I believe in you. So what I did was I twisted along the perimeter, and you're gonna see why I did that. So this is the top part. Gonna start off the same way we've been doing so far. Start off with a braid. Guys, excuse the faces that I was making during this video. At this time, I was getting over COVID, so I wasn't feeling really well, and it was close to my birthday, and it was just terrible. So just excuse the faces I'm making. We're just gonna blame it on COVID. So start off with a braid again, and then twist along. So here I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be done. See how it looks? So it's covering my little puff in the middle. That's the point of doing it this way. So you see, I'm all done, and I'm gonna take the burgundy one and do the other side. That's my little style. So half of my hair will be burgundy, and then half one be. So I'm showing you how it's looking. This is all I'm doing. This is all the twist you need, and I'm done. So now we're gonna work on the hair that I left out. Don't worry, we're not gonna twist this. So I just moisturize it, make sure it's very, very moisturized, and I comb through it. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braid it. Just plait it. I'm gonna plait it or braid it, whichever way you call it. And I'm gonna create a little bun with it. So just wrap it around and just use a rubber band or a hair tie. I use the little rubber bands. And then I'm gonna gather the hair. Here I was just trying to test it out to see how it would look. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So remember, this hair, it was 8 in the bundle, in the pack. It comes with 8 packs. So I think there's 3 left. So whatever that's left, I'm gonna wrap it around my little bun. See, this is the trick. Wrap it around my little bun. So I'm gonna take 3 bundles and just wrap it around, just to make it fuller, and also to disguise my hair that is left out. And all we're gonna do is just create a bun. That's all. Just create a bun with it. And I am telling you, you cannot see that the middle of my hair, it's not braided. And just like shape it to the way you like. That's what I'm gonna do. Do the same thing on the other side. That's 1, 2, and then a third one. The same way. Just wrap it around, hold it up. So with this style, you cannot leave it down. So this is how you're gonna wear it the whole time. And I had no problem with it. I love this style so much. I am a big fan of my space buns. So and then just shape it to your liking. And that's all. That is all, you guys. That's how easy it was. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the twist. It's so juicy. It's like, it's beautiful. Everybody, I got so many compliments on this hair. Everybody kept asking like what kind of hair was, and you know, I had to let them know. Bohobabe. So this is the back. See how you cannot even tell. You cannot see anything. Even though the other side is a burgundy color, you cannot even tell that I have that left in the middle. And here's my transition. Whoop. So here is, I have my face beat. Just, I am in love. I was feeling myself with this style, as you can see. So once again, this is from Bohobabe. I'm going to go ahead and leave the links down below. And I am truly, truly, truly in love. And it's very, very easy. Very, very lazy girl style, like Beautywithty calls it. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below. I love you. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.